Hey guys, going against Trash Talker. Trash Talker number 1 is about to be taught a lesson. Kid. This guy, all he knows how to do is use the bow. Already 20 v 39 HP. No one was not expecting that. Come on, give me some sort of challenge. Ha! Get stuck in a block. Yep, pot already. I'm still on full HP. Go something not broken. How's Dread broken? Just because I'm smoking you doesn't mean you have to. But Creeper, yeah, Creeper is the one that's broken. I don't know what he's talking about. Just because he sucked doesn't mean you get to blame it on the class. Whoa, yeah, what the heck? No! 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 You know what? That's it. Done messing around. This guy. Oh my god. Enough. No. Who do you think you are? First, I missed my Shadow Burst. I don't even know how that happened. And he just like, I don't know. And now he's in the bow spam. Great. You're just annoying. Every time he goes in with the sword, he gets absolutely smoked. Like, as we are witnessing right here. Can get one combo. Okay, great. Beautiful for you. Okay, pod. Okay, that's pod number 1. Once I get in, like, his health is gonna deplete. Stupid fire. You're dead. Yep, as we all know, he's gonna even with the bow spam. Wait. Until I teach this guy what lately. Hurry up, what? He accepted. What is this? Okay, I'm sending it. What? Wait. Not working. 1 sec. This is. Oh, I accepted his. Okay, good. We're in. And okay, he talks about me. Let's play it. Let's play his class, Creeper. I just smoke him with this. Oh my god. This is the only class he can probably beat me with. If I'm like focused. Yep, you're not gonna win. Okay, he wasted your foot. Run, of course. All you can do anyway. And use the bow, of course. And you're still bad with it. Yes. Just get off me. Oh, I missed that shot. Okay, great. You beat me with Sham, and congratulations. The most broken class ever. What? Keep going. him. Thank you. Accepting. What? Stop. It's not working for some reason. I can't invite him. Well, okay. Who are you? You're lagging so bad. I'm not even gonna. I'm not even using my ability. And I haven't even potted. Get out of here. I'm gonna finish you with this. Actually, no, I'll finish you right now. Wow. Well, okay, guys. I think unless maybe I can duel him again. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Okay, probably this. My God, this game, like, no one plays it. I don't know, it has no attention. Alright. Accept. Oh no, I don't know why he's not accepting, but... Oh, he left, okay, well. Okay, guys, I think that's the video. I might play actually one rank before to end it. Just, I don't know, it doesn't matter how I do. If you might have saw my ranked video that I posted a few days ago, yeah, that was all from first try too. So, well, I mean, I didn't do that great, but like, I don't know. So there's one game here ranked after a few duels. So this is how this trash talking started. As we were playing a game of Mega Wall, right? I kill him, he gets really salty, and yeah, and then he just like goes crazy. And that game I was like really close to legendary. It was like 14 finals or something like that, and I needed 4 more, and I didn't. So yeah, what I hate about this is like that people just come and backstab. Get. Yes, fight each other. Just sit here and camp. Run. Right, I think we can go in. I think it's safe. Oh, there's fighting. Okay, you're gonna need one more smoke. One more smoke. Kid. Get good. Get good at the game, first of all. Okay, next. Oh, no. That was lucky, actually. So that's one. Okay, he saw, I don't know what that was. What did he do? Did he just jump off? Okay, whatever. That's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.